T wave, the fastest, moves through rock at 8 kilometers per second. It's silent, invisible, and hits your feet before your ears hear anything. The rock.
This wave comes next, the destructive one. This wave makes buildings sway like trees and cracks roads open. It moves slower, but hits harder.
Earthquakes don't just shake the ground, they send invisible waves through your body. And the first wave hits before you even know the quake has started.
Earthquakes are so strong, they change Earth's rotation by milliseconds. The planet literally spins differently. Want the mega earthquake episode next? Let's